God is always kind to us, provided we are ready to accept our failures, our faults. That does not mean there is no penance. Of course, God will demand from us penance. We cannot say, because God is loving, forgiving, I will do all sort of nonsense and I will go for confession and everything is forgiven. Confession is only one part of the process. The penance is equally important. Not only the penance given by the priest, the penance God imposes on you. Follow my 10 commandments. Follow my teaching of my Son. That is binding on us. Then only the God's blessing will come upon us. Let us try to understand this. Still, many Catholics think going to confession and muttering few sins very fast, sometimes so soft, you can't hear what they have said, and they think sins are forgiven. Sins are forgiven when we are truly repentant and we are ready to change our life. Yes, we will fall, we will commit those sins, maybe outside our confession. That doesn't matter. But what matters is we have the desire to change our life. Today, let us ask for the grace that we may forgive whoever has hurt us. May God bless them. May God bless their families. Let us pray for them sincerely.